today we will learn simplification of numerical expression. So what is the meaning of simplification? It means we will simplify. So in one problem we will get many operations. Okay, so that we will simplify it and will solve. Okay, so for that what we have to do, because in this you will get addition, division, subtraction, multiplication, everything together. So how to solve, which one we will solve first, which operation we will do first? For that we have to follow one rule, that is called Demas rule. Okay, what is the meaning of Demas rule? It means division, multiplication. It means first we have to perform operation in a particular order. So first we do division, then multiplication, followed by addition, and then subtraction. Okay, so this is the sequence. You have to follow the sequence: first division, then multiplication, then addition, and last subtraction. This is called a Demas. So children, this you can learn, you can remember like this also. Demas, what is the meaning of Demas? Dear mother and sister. So in easy manner you can learn like this, that dear mother and sister. If from dear we'll take D, that is division, mother M multiplication, and A is addition, and S sisters S is subtraction. So that is dear mother and sister. So in easy way for you can remember it. Okay, so now we'll start solving. We'll take one example. See children, here is one example I have given, that 16 plus 12 divided by 4 into 5 minus 2. Now what we will solve? And listen children, whenever you will solve, you have to do one thing, you have to take in bracket that operation. जैसे पहले हम डिवीजन करेंगे, yes, because according to our Demas rule we have to do the division first. So what we will do, division को हम पहले bracket में लिखेंगे. Okay, मतलब हम ये solve करने वाले हैं. So 16 plus 12 divided by 4. What is 12 divided by 4? That is 3. Yes. So we will write here 3 into 5. Okay. So 16 plus 3 into 5 minus 2. Now next is M. M it means multiplication. इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? Multiplication करेंगे. So we will write in a bracket. So 16 plus 3 minus 3 multiply 5 minus 2. Okay, so what is 3 into 5? 3 into 5 is a 15. So 16 plus 15 minus 2. Okay, so what is 16 plus 15? Up next is A. A means addition. Now we will take this one. So we will take in bracket 16 plus 15 minus 2. So 16 plus 15 is 31. 31 minus 2. What is 31 minus 2? It is 29. So what is your answer? Your answer is 29. Got it children? How to do? You have to follow this Demas rule and you have to solve like this. पहले division, फिर multiplication, फिर addition and subtraction. Very easy it is. Just you have to follow this rule. Okay. Now we will take the next type, that is the bracket type. So in simplification, if you are getting many brackets, so when brackets are present in a problems, how to simplify it? Okay, so we have to follow the rules. There also we have to follow few rules. And children, remember, you will get 3 kinds of brackets, that is round brackets, curly brackets, and square bracket. Okay, so now we will see what is round bracket. This is your round bracket. If you will see in this problem, here it is square bracket, this is one is curly bracket, this one is a round bracket. So round bracket, so we have to follow. If 2 or more types of brackets are present in a problem, so the order of working is first round bracket, then curly bracket, and then square bracket. ऐसे round वाला गोल वाला मिला, it means it is a round. Like this little curl type you will get, that is curly type, and this is the square type. Okay, so here one example is there, we will see. So 100, then here square bracket, then curly bracket, then here it is round bracket is there. So first what is our rule? According to our rule we have to solve first round bracket. कौन सा solve करना है आपको? round bracket solve करना है. So this is your round bracket. Okay, so 32 minus 16. What is the answer? 16. Yes, so we will write here like this: 100 minus 88, 56 plus 16. Okay, then here next अब हमें क्या solve करना है? curly bracket solve करना है. So now 56 plus 16. 56 plus 16. What is 56 plus 16? That is 88. So 100 minus 88 minus 72. And last is our कौन सा bracket रहता है? square bracket. So 88 minus 72, that is 16. So 100 minus 16 is equal to 84. What is your answer? Your answer is 84. Okay, now we'll take again one example. See here children, one example is there 2. Now सबसे पहले हमको क्या सॉल्व करना है, राउंड ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना है. 8 minus 10 minus 8. Okay, that is 2. Okay, so now in curly bracket what we got, 12 plus 11 into 2 and curly bracket. So now next thing we will solve this curly bracket. यहाँ पर क्या है, 12 plus 11 into 2. So we know that multiplication we will solve first. 11 into 2 is 22. So 12 plus 22 हम यहाँ पे सॉल्व कर लेंगे. अब इसको सॉल्व करने हैं कर्ली ब्रैकेट को. 12 plus 22 is 34. What is your answer? Your answer is 34. So 34, 13 plus 34. 13 plus 34. लास्ट हमारा कौन सा है, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है, दैट इज 2 into 47. एंड व्हाट इज योर आंसर? योर आंसर इज 94. करेक्ट, गॉट इट? हाउ टू सॉल्व? एंड लास्ट वी विल टेक वन story sum slides. Okay, so see here. So at a sale of pencils which normally cost ₹5 were reduced by ₹2. So children, एक sale है. Sale, what is the meaning of sale? There you will get a discount rate. Okay, so that is called a sale. So one boy is there, Ram. He went for buying. He want to purchase what? One pencil. He want to purchase a pencil. What he saw, जो बाहर में in normal shop में the cost of that pencil is ₹5, but there in that sale he is getting a reduced by 2. मतलब ₹2 कम मिल रहे हैं उसको. ₹5 की पेन ₹2 कम में मिल रही है. What is the meaning of that? 5 minus 2 we will do. Means the boy he is getting pencil of ₹3. कितने में मिल रही है पेंसिल? ₹3 में मिल रही है. सो इफ़ राम, सो राम ने क्या सोचा, मैं 10 पेंसिल ले लेता हूँ. ओके, सो इफ़ राम बॉट 10 पेंसिल्स, व्हाट डिड ही पे टू, ही हैव टू पे. सो अगर राम ने 10 पेंसिल लिया तो कितने पे करने पड़ेंगे उसको. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, 5 minus 2. क्यों? क्योंकि ये डिस्काउंट रेट है. सो वी विल राइट इन ब्रैकेट 5 minus 2 into 10. सो व्हाट इज़ 5 minus 2? दैट इज़ 3. सो 3 into 10 rupees 30. It means राम को कितना पे करना पड़ा, ₹30. How much he paid? He paid ₹30 for 10 pencil, जो उसको बाहर में कितने में मिल रही थी, ₹50 में मिलती थी. It means ₹20 he saved. Okay, so what is your answer? Your answer is ₹30. Okay children, hope today's simplification is clear for you all. आपको समझा आज का टॉपिक. Thank you. Have a nice day.